How to make a copy of a shared OneNote notebook. So when someone shares a OneNote notebook with you, the system doesn't give you a simple Save As button to make your own copy. If the original owner edits a page, deletes a file, or revokes your access, your notes are gone. Today, we are walking through the most reliable way to clone a shared notebook directly into your own personal or business account so you can edit it privately. So because OneNote manages files as a cloud asset, the most reliable way to copy a notebook on Windows, Mac, or the web is the section transfer method. So let us open up our web browser, or you can also use the desktop application. And then guys, of course, sign into your personal account and create a brand new empty notebook. So I'll just go ahead and create one here. Let's give it a clear name, test, and create. And then guys, you can open the shared notebook link you received from your coworker or classmate, so both notebooks are active in your sidebar menu at the same time. Then go to the shared notebook. Then guys, choose the tab, right click on it, and then select this button Move or Copy. And a menu will pop up showing your account directory. You can expand your newly created notebook, click on it, and make sure to click the Copy button. Now click Move, or you will pull the data right out of the shared original. When you're good to go, just choose Copy with this button, and as you can see, it's copied to Untitled section. And then you can repeat the exact right-click copy process for every section in the shared notebook. So you just choose these, as many if you have them. Once again, copy, move, and in the context window, you copy them where you want. And then guys, you just open up your shared notebook in the app, then click on the export button right over here, and then choose notebook. Select the OneNote package, which will have a extension .1pkg, or maybe something similar, and then save it directly to your local drive. Once downloaded, you can double click that file, rename it, and select your personal OneDrive folder as the destination to re-upload it as a brand new, completely independent cloud asset. That's how it's done, guys. If this was helpful to you in any way, make sure to like and subscribe.